Although it can be a little daunting to begin with, selecting fittings is generally easier than other parts because there are fewer things to contemplate. The port and tube connections, the operating pressure and temperature, the shape required, and whether it is European or American thread are all important considerations. Let's take a closer look at a couple of these examples. The port connection can be parallel or taper thread. A parallel thread seals against an O-ring between the fitting and the face of the component, which is usually machined or spot-faced, providing a smooth, flat surface. Parallel threads can be inserted by hand and cannot damage the mating part. Taper ports tighten directly to the component and rely on a lightly wedged fit. Sealant is often used between the threads of the fitting and the port. Unlike a parallel thread, the surround does not need a machined face and may not be flat. Taper threads have a smaller outside diameter than parallel threads. The shape of the fittings is also important, so you should start by asking your customer if they have a preference. If not, then here are some things to think about. A straight path will allow for higher flows than elbows, but fixed elbows have higher flow than swivel elbows. Elbows do tend to provide neater solutions though, so weigh up the importance of that against flow rates.